Here we have a simple tool I made a few years back for cutting stainless steel wire. It's a simple shear. You can see the operation. This is screwed to the bench, but I'll put it in the vise. And here we have a stop to determine our length. And this was originally made for chopping wires for fishing weights, but it can be used for all sorts of manner of things. How efficient is it? Let me show you. .25 stainless. That goes in up to the stop, and you smartly push it forward, like so. Then you can repeat the process many times as you like. So you can see it's certainly efficient. So if you've got a use for cutting up short lengths such as this, consider making this little shear. I don't think you need any plans near. Of course you don't.